this video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit card to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPad model you have, you can easily add a debit card. So to do this, you have to go into the Settings app for your iPad. So open the settings, and at the top, you will see your Apple ID. So this is where you will be able to set up debit and credit cards. So on your Apple account at the top, tap on it and you will see more information. Now, you will find payment and shipping. You will be able to manage the payment methods that you have, including debit cards, on this menu. So go into the settings, tap on your Apple account and find payment and shipping. If you aren't signed into an Apple account, you will get prompted to do so here. So when you choose payment and shipping, you will see all of the payment methods that are currently attributed to your iPad. And in order to add new ones, just use the option at the bottom, Add Payment Method. So when you tap this option, you will now be able to select between adding an Apple Card, credit or debit card, and something like PayPal. Since the focus of this video is going to be a debit card, just choose this option in the middle, but of course you can explore other options if you'd like to. When you choose credit/debit card, you can now input all of the necessary details. So you will have to either input them manually, or you can tap this camera button and scan the card using your camera. So some of the information will be filled out automatically. Choose whichever option you prefer. You will have to input the card number, expiration date, and security code, aka the CVV, which is usually at the back. Afterwards, you might have to include the cardholder's name and the zip code. By confirming all of this information, the card is going to be verified, and if it is valid, it is going to appear under your payment and shipping window. Now you can use services inside of the App Store. You can use this card to manage payments on iCloud, manage subscriptions, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.